Diving into idioms, like a pig in mud, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the colorful idiom, like a pig in mud. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. Let's get started and explore this expression together. The phrase, like a pig in mud, is an idiom used to describe someone who is extremely happy or content in their current situation, often regardless of the messiness or chaos around them. It paints a vivid picture of a pig happily wallowing in mud, which is a natural behavior for pigs as it keeps them cool and protects them from parasites. In human terms, it's about finding joy or comfort in a situation that might not seem appealing to others. While the exact origins of like a pig in mud are a bit murky, it's clear that this idiom draws on the long-standing observation of pigs' behavior. Pigs are often seen enjoying themselves immensely while wallowing in mud, an activity that seems messy and unappealing to humans. This idiom has been used in English for many years to convey the idea of someone being content in what others might consider less than ideal circumstances. Using like a pig in mud in conversation is a great way to add color and vivid imagery to your speech. Here are a few examples to show how it can be used. Describing happiness in simple pleasures. He's like a pig in mud whenever he's working on his car, even if it takes all weekend. Expressing contentment in messy situations. After the massive snowstorm, the kids were like pigs in mud, playing outside for hours. Illustrating satisfaction in one's element. Give her a book and a quiet corner. And she's like a pig in mud. It's interesting to note that idioms like a pig in mud reflect cultural observations and attitudes towards animals and their behaviors. This idiom also highlights a positive spin on what might typically be viewed negatively, finding joy in messiness or chaos. It's a wonderful example of how language can capture the complexity of human emotions and experiences. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the idiom, like a pig in mud, with us today. It's a fun and vivid way to describe sheer contentment and joy, even in situations that others might not find appealing. Remember, the beauty of learning English is in understanding not just the words, but the rich tapestry of ideas and expressions that make this language so vibrant. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into the English language. See you in the next video.